Lazzaro's has got it. He's checked. Weiss gets the loose puck at center ice. He scores! And early here in the third period, they pulled it within one. The coach has to be happy the way they come out after the second intermission. Come back.
Here we go on the replay for that terrific goal. They have the attack going, that's for sure.
You can see the rush developing on the replay. Exciting.
He dropped into the butterfly, but just couldn't quite take away enough of the net.
And Tampa Bay has the puck defensive zone. He's got it over the blue line. It's goal! He scores the first goal of the game in front of the home crowd.
Let's take another look at this attack.
The goalie drops into a crouch knowing he's got an outnumbered attack.
And it just isn't enough to keep this one from going in.
Little. Here's Joe Corvo. He fires it up the right side to Whitney. He scores! The home crowd excited here to see their team take a 1-0 lead in the second period.
I think the defender here was doing all he could to obstruct the shot, disrupt the play. But as you can see, it was to no avail, and the goal was scored.
You're right, Drew. It did seem like he made the impossible happen on that shot, but he was with him the whole time.
Instinct took over, and even though the window of opportunity was slight, it was big enough for this guy to hammer one home.
Great job there, timing it just right. Atlanta with a 2-goal lead. Kovalchuk. Oh, and it finds iron, but not twine. He scores! And they now have a 3-goal lead with that one here in the second period. Sometimes you wish you could just spread out these goals over a few games.
Look at them. They're looking around saying, did that just go in? They were stonewalled that entire play.
And yet they send the shot out and it goes in. Sometimes you just got to take the chance, Drew.
Right, partner. Take the chance and take the shot. Every once in a while, those will go in.
Assisted by
now Alex Ovechkin.
Nicholas Backstrom.
Oh, it's a goal! He has been red hot tonight. You have to figure it was only a matter of time.
Here's a guy that really throws the D. Amazing job of executing in the face of some not-so-bad defense.
Here's a situation where the D-man brought his A game, and I think played him pretty well.
But that's not always good enough in the NHL, as we all know.